Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is oven baked falafel. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. I think this is one of the easiest and tastiest recipes I do. The most tasty and easiest recipe we do, sorry. The preparation of the falafel mixture is quite simple. Put all the ingredients listed in the description box below in a food processor, then on pulse the food processor until a nice consistency is achieved. I tried to list the ingredients one at a time as my wife was putting them in. I tried 4 times, I got it wrong every time. So do me a favour, check the list of ingredients down below, because I'm running out of time and the pubs are open in 15 minutes. If you think the mixture is a bit too wet, just add another tablespoon or 2 of flour and pulse again until it's right. And you should have something that looks like this. Next, divide the falafel mixture into 10 equal parts, roll into patty shapes and place on a well-greased oven-proof dish. This off to a 180 degrees C oven for 30 minutes. And you should have something that looks like this. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.